Very good. Jared, how's the food?
Very good. Yum, yum.
Ma'am, nasan po yung lolo at sister ni Jared?
Oh, they're coming. Don't worry. Eat. Excuse me. I just need to get this. Hello? Elaine.
Hello, Tita Stella. You need to know this. May girlfriend na si Ivan.
What?
Hindi ko rin alam kung paano po naging sila eh. Pero nung dumating ako dito, inaway ako ng girlfriend. Ayun, apparently, nagsiselo sa akin.
Well, deal with it. That's your job. You have to do something about it. Ano ka ba?
Nandiyan si Lola at si Luisa.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, Tita. Is that Jared? Pwede ko po ba siya makausap kahit sandali lang? Please?
Hindi. Palpak ka. Ayusin mo muna ang trabaho mo. At baka sakasakali, ipakita ko pa sa'yo si Jared. Bye.
Hello, Lola.
Papa? This is Counselor Martinez. Counselor, my Papa Don Alfredo Vergara.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Papa, siya yung counselor ni Jared sa rehab.
Good.
Of course. My stepmom.
Nice meeting you, ma'am. For you.
It's good to see you again, Lolo. Please don't worry, I'm not gonna ask for your forgiveness or anything, not tonight. I'm gonna have to earn it.
Good.
Let's eat! Come on! Let's eat. Papa, kuha na lang kayo ng food. Come on, sit with us.
Please.
Hindi ka na pagkain si Sir.
Si Alison, siya na lang wala.
Oh, dadating yun.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. This looks good on you.
Ayaw mo ba yung mga sinusuot ko?
No, it's not that. I just want you to look good, specifically tonight.
Saan ba tayo pupunta?
We're going to a dinner. Let's go. Well, I hope na marunong kang mag-drive kasi ito ang dadalhin natin sa dinner.
Wow! Bagong kotse mo?
It's yours. I bought it for you.
Ayoko. Hindi ko matatanggap yan.
Can you please test drive it first and then we'll talk about it later? Late na kasi tayo eh. Let's go. Go! Can drive.
Sige, kain na. Anak ka na. Excuse me.
Hello?
Sis, pwede mo ba akong puntahan? Kailangan kita eh.
Bakit, Ria? Ano nangyari?
Kasi, pakiramdam ko, pagdating kay Ivan, ikaw na lang yung kakampi ko.
Sis, pasensya ka na. Gusto sana kitang puntahan kaso dito kasi yung buong pamilya ni Fred eh. May bisita kasi kami.
Basta, sis, ha? Huwag mo akong iwan.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Sorry talaga, Leo, ah.
Sino kausap mo, Luisa? Napapansin ko, balisang-balisa ka lately. Is there anything wrong? Meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa akin?
Allison!
Is that who I think it is?
Hi. Good evening, Lolo.
What's the meaning of this, Allison? Ano ang ginagawa ng lalaking yan dito?
Nagkabalikan na kami ni Mark. And I have to thank Luisa for bringing us back together again.